Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we have something truly unique on the table: the Mobile Pixels Geminos T monitor. Let's dive right in. The Geminos T is not your typical monitor. It's two displays stacked together, each measuring 24 inches diagonally. The design is sleek, with a hefty aluminum chassis and a smooth hinge mechanism that allows the displays to close clamshell style for easy transport. One of the standout features of the Geminos T is its versatility. You can adjust the displays to suit your ergonomic preference, whether you want them stacked vertically or angled for touch interaction. And speaking of touch, the bottom display is touch-enabled, offering 10-point multi-touch support for both Windows and macOS. But that's not all. This monitor is loaded with connectivity options. It features a plethora of ports including USB-A, USB-C with power delivery, HDMI, Ethernet, and even an SD card slot. Plus, it comes with a built-in 1080p webcam, integrated microphone, and dual speakers, making it a true all-in-one solution for your productivity needs. Setting up the Geminos T is a breeze, whether you're using it with a Windows PC or a MacBook. And thanks to the included drivers, you can take full advantage of its touch functionality and extra features like the webcam and speakers. Now, let's talk about performance. The Geminos T features dual 24-inch IPS displays with 1920x1080 resolution and a 60 Hz refresh rate. While it may not be aimed at gamers or color accuracy enthusiasts, it excels in productivity tasks, offering crisp visuals and ample screen real estate. So, what's the verdict? The Mobile Pixels Geminos T is a truly innovative monitor that brings a new level of productivity to your workspace. With its dual displays, touch support, and a plethora of connectivity options, it's perfect for creative professionals and multitaskers alike. Yes, it comes with a hefty price tag, but for those who need its unique features, it's worth every penny. That wraps up our review of the Geminos T. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and tech insights. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.